Hello guys, welcome to another video. I am playing Ragdoll Engine but no gravity. Y'all can literally see and I can change my gravity. And I'm gonna see if some people can dance with me. Like some of those other Roblox YouTubers, I'm gonna see if they can dance, okay? So wait, I'm doing cartwheels. Kind of cartwheels down the thing. Wee! Yeah, I'm dead. I've played this game a long time ago. So yeah. Oh wait, can I get in this? Last time I did, nothing happened. Like those other people. Anything happen? Nope, nothing. Okay. I know you can change your avatar. Oh wait, I remember. Oh yeah. Let's see. 12 Rainbow 03. Okay. Okay. Wait, how do you do that? Isn't it? I forgot. Did it do anything? Nope. Dang it. Okay, let's see again. See. Why is the commands not working? I know that you can do fly. Fly. Why? Why isn't it working? Let me try this one. Did they remove the flying thing? They didn't. They did not remove the fly. That fly command, oh my gosh. Why did Roblox remove that? Y'all are crazy for removing commands. Okay, where? Hang on. 12 Rainbow 03. Let's see. Oh, it's okay. Hear me. It says, oh. Cheer me. Where's that little thing that they have on there? No. I can't find it. Is it this? It's not doing anything. Guys, how do you do it? Is it this? Is it? Cheer me. Why isn't it not working? They freaking changed it. So it's literally... Why? Work this time? Why isn't it going on? Dude, this is stupid. I'm literally putting in cheer me. Why? in everything you want me to do? I absolutely hate this game now. I really hate it. Why do I look like this? Here. Me. I wouldn't be her. Chill. Ooh. Dang it. Why won't it work? Guys, tell me right here. That does not say what I've been doing. Why? I don't want to be these ugly people. I want to be the rainbow girl. Max this girl. Oh wait, never mind. Who? Maybe that? No. Slash. Try slash Jeremy. Wow, I hate this game. I'm sorry. Do you know how to get a different avatar except for ones? Okay. Any response? Hello? Hello? Responses? Do you? Girl, I want you to answer me. Oh, is she doing lock me up, top make me up, because you know I can't help myself?
Dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I never seen anybody do that. Onto the guy. Teach me how to dance. Harder what you want, put it all on my tab.
Okay, whatever.
Teach me how to do it. Teach me how to do it. Teach me how to do it. Teach me how to do it.
Everybody love it. Everybody love it.
Right foot creep, oh, walking with that heat. Look around, stay low, make sure they don't see me. Catch them bad, walk down, face them with that heat. The devil under your feature on your way to see me. Right foot creep, oh, walking with that heat. Look around, stay low, make sure they don't
See. Oh wait, they.
seizure. Catch them bad, walk down, face them with that heater. The devil of the AO feature on your. I needed some with some bop in.
Chickle, chickle, and fold.
I got what you like, girl. Don't put up a fight, no, 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 no. But you wanna fight, girl. Girl, you wanna decide, yeah. Mama, oh my. My Gucci on. Girl, you fly and ghetto. About to catch another fight. Yeah, the apple make 'em wanna bite. I just wanna have a good night. I just wanna have a good night. Hold up. About to catch another fight. Yeah, the apple make 'em wanna bite. I just wanna have a good night.
Ew, what happened to her?
I just wanna have a good night. Hold up. Take it out west. Brand new Lamborghini. In a minute, I'ma need a pump up the jam. I'm Slim Shady, yes, I'm. She the devil. Rollie with a double red. I already got some designer to hold on my pants. I just want some ice on my. I'm a savage.
Yeah,
Classy, bougie, ratchet. Dog show. That's my dog. That's my dog show. That's my dog. Kick my head up and show. Get it, get it. Gucci down.
that was so cool.
Survival. Spirit break, I'm out of sight. Don't make me your rival. I'm vital, I'm vital. I'm everyone's idol. Spotlight.
Do it right, do it.
This.
Pretty girls walk like this.
Oh, but where did? Dude, I'm confused.
This.
Wait.
Is what it is, what it.
Can't see.
Mama, oh my Gucci.
Flow, the crow.
Teach me how to duck.
Seriously? Y'all? I don't like that they were able to lock me up, make me Wait, these are Fortnite dances too. Also Fortnite dance. A lot of these are Fortnite dances for some reason. Well. Okay. Ew. Where are they? Okay, I don't know what these odors are doing in here. Okay, this is way cuter. I'm gonna say A, B, C, 2, dance with me. Let's say ABC to dance with me and see if anybody wants to come. Ew! What is this? What? Ew. Okay. Ooh. See, hi. No, come back. No, come back. Come back! No! Come It's for my channel. Let's see. Let's see how she reacts. I want at least somebody to do this dance thing with me. Come. Teach me how to do it. Teach me how to do it. Where are we going? I'm confused. Your game is glitching. Let's see. Let's see. Everyone loves me. Dang it. Never mind. Dang it. Do okie dokie. Do okie dokie. Let's see. Okay, come on. Okay, what? Okay. Let's see. Girl, hurry up. This video is almost a full 20 minutes. Guys, if you hear anything, don't mind that. That's my little brother, Nana. Hello? Hello, girl. Hello?
Perdóname, lo siento. Perdóname, lo siento, bebé. Hablando claro.
Girl, hurry up. It's the first one at the top. It says Okie Dokie.
Perdóname.
And Okie Dokie.
Perdóname.
See. 3.